Hey everyone, the goal of this video is to give you a brief introduction on how to navigate our class together, Guidance 107 in Canvas. So this is the home screen and this is what you should see every time you sign on to the course. A couple things that are important on this page include the syllabus, so please read that when you get a chance. A few reminders, your main posts are due on Wednesdays and your one response is due on a Friday. When you read the syllabus, you'll understand what the responses are for the discussion boards. Quizzes are taken online and they are open on Monday and they close on Saturday. So all assignments and projects are always due on Saturdays. And remember, I do not take late work. So make sure you are balancing your time throughout the course so that you could be successful. A couple other links on here include my information, a link to the BBC catalog, a link to the BBC library, and a link to the BBC tutoring resources. So looking at this left-hand navigation bar, you'll see the syllabus option, and what I like about this is it breaks down every day what is due throughout the course. So this is super helpful just to keep you on track. In your announcements, you'll see that you will get these in your student email, so it's super important to activate that if you haven't done so already. And this is the most important piece is your modules. So you'll see that in here, in each module, I have a read, watch, and learn, and this is similar to your textbook. This course does not utilize a textbook. Rather, I have put together important information, whether that's from other online textbooks, videos, stuff I made myself. So there's a combination of information within this read, watch, and learn section. In this weekly assignments, you'll see that here you're going to have discussion boards. This for module 1, you'll have a project due, a quiz, and then your learning portfolio and journal is due at the end of the semester. And then you have a module 1 wrap up. So please make sure you are going through the read, watch, learn material before you start getting into the weekly assignments. If you run into an issue of, hey, I cannot access the discussion board or project, it's probably because you just tried jumping straight to the assignments and not doing the reading. So please do not email me and say the test is not open, the module is not allowing me to do the discussion board. It will. You just need to go through all of these items in the read, watch, and learn section. So I'm going to show you quick give you some quick tips on your discussion board. So on your discussion board main page, you're going to see that I have a course cafe, and this is where you can ask your classmates questions about the college or the class. This is super important, how to complete your discussion boards, because I feel like in my course, students struggle with this the most. So please make sure you review how to do your discussion boards. Watch this video I made, learn about what are in-text citations, and then look at these examples that I posted with the comments as to why these are either good main post or maybe they're poor quality main post in there. Last but not least, in your grades section, I really like Canvas because you are able to put mock grades in there to allow you to see where you are in the course and what grades you need to get on future assignments in order to achieve the grade that you want in this class. A couple other links in here are collaborations. I might have some drop-in sessions at times, and so using this collaborations is kind of similar to Zoom. 365 allows you to have access to Word, PowerPoint, Excel, these other Microsoft softwares that you may need to download in order for you to complete assignments and so on. So I hope this is a very brief introduction helped you understand how to navigate this course a little bit better. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.